gonna go over to real quick before we go to the well, just to take a picture real quick, and then we're gonna go meet with the UC.
น่าไปตัวไทยจีนะ
Frog place with boba tea.
แล้วตัวเขียวกุจัดจีมาสิงดง
over to I-5 crossover.
You're not taking another one.
I'm not gonna get on the
There's a fire on the I-5, so you might want to see
There's a what?
a fire.
Oh really?
Yeah, it sparked up yesterday afternoon.
By where?
I couldn't tell you.
Okay.
I
Check
just
the
know
road
it was
conditions
on the news
Caltrans.
here in Fresno.
Okay.
So I would just double check
I
the maps.
don't like going through Atwater and Madera. It's
Oh,
weird.
with the traffic?
No,
In that
there's no shoulder.
Yeah, the construction.
And then they split you.
Yeah.
You're split into
I was
either
just
left
talking
or
to
right.
Carmen about that.
It's a little,
Once you get to Madera, on the side, you have to decide. You don't.
stay on
You can stay on the inside.
นั่นน่าไปตัวไทยจีเที่ยแล้วตัวชายกุจัดเต้นะ
big old semi-truck.
That's a good idea. I don't know how much.
จัดจีจากกูโทรเลยเที่ยได้จุดเจ้าจัดจีจะชัวร์ลงกูละ
I would just double check on that.
My kids are asking if the channel will be closed down. There hasn't been. It's
โอ้เดี๋ยว
This
ก็
place is only 10 minutes away. We're just gonna
It's off of Shields. Shields is the first exit on Shields.
เป้หมูเขาก็เป็นลูกขอเด้
I mean, it's all the documentation for it.
We need to put that into the job description. People must be.
And then you get to Sacramento, and there's always traffic too.
There's always traffic there too. But you know, it's a highway where people drive aggressively. I feel like it's more aggressive because they think you're a local. It's like, why are I'm like, I'm not local. I don't know the road.
And there's a lot more semis too.
And I'm, you know,